Hey there. I don't need to tell you that we've been hit hard here in Western North Carolina with Hurricane Helene. It's been an unprecedented storm, and but you know what? We're tough. We're tough here in Western North Carolina. We're resilient. We're going to recover, and we're going to recover and be stronger than ever before. And it's time to actually start talking about recovery. We still don't have all our basic needs. Many people don't have water. Many of us, I don't have internet. I'm at my cousin's. There's all kinds of things that we're still facing, but we're resilient and we're overcoming them. And it's time to start talking about what's next for your business. You know, what your response with your business should be to Hurricane Helene. So we at the Asheville Business Summit and Action Coach Business Growth Partners have decided that we're going to put on a free event to talk about these things, to talk about what you should be doing next. I'm going to cover 9 areas. It's going to be live. We're going to do it in person. We think it's important to start getting together as humans to talk to each other. I know many of you have been out there volunteering and you're getting together as humans, and we're doing this as a team, as a group. But we're gonna get together as humans and start talking about how do we rebuild businesses, how do we rebuild the economy. It's going to be Friday, October 25th, from 12 to 1:30. Bring your own lunch, bring your own water. We're not sure what the utility situation is going to be. We know we've got power, and we know we have water to flush the toilets. But we just to be on the safe side, we may have water by then. But if we don't, we just bring our own water, bring our own thing. We're going to talk together. We're going to work together as a community to begin building this economy back. So I hope to see you there. All the details will be with this video. Hey, and until then, hang in there and all the best.